Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to play the new chess box Clash of Clans. I'm going to play Barbarian, 400 should be easy. Random color, challenge. Okay, let's go. E4, let's play E6, French, solid. Your moves, advanced variation, c5, that here I can just take a knight 6, attacking the queen, then also attacking the pawn. Get it, move with d4, attacking the queen again. Here, if I play here, it's here. So I can just give a check first. Stake. Okay. And I'll take. So we can just take here first. Check. I've been 97 here. And I can castle also. And get the tempo here. Taking the queen. Much better. Simply castle. It starts to make mistakes. Queen a5, attacking the pawn. Won't be it, maybe. The knight protects the rook. I can play here, but I also can develop simply. I play h6. So I can escape also. Let's play complicated moves. H6. This is what I win this pawn with check. Okay. I can play b6, bishop b7. So there's nothing. And just develop. Let's play simple chess. I can put a checkmate. No, there's nothing. Okay. I can play like mini moves. Play here. Just attacking the knight. Okay. Can just exchange everything because I'm a material. Can develop my rook. And back here. That used to be new pieces. Take the rook. Check. I could have taken here. No. Can give it a check. Take. I win the queen. Just take the queen, and it's completely winning now. Okay, now we just take the pieces. Okay. Shan Fatan checkmate. Okay. GG checkmate. Kaya beat Barbarian. A ton of blunders and mistakes. That's another game. Okay, 85% but everything was normal. I just get tempo, I play fine, accuracy, but putting pressure over, but track, take, give double pan, I get tempo, castle, okay, and I had something better here, but not overcomplicate. Let's I take the move. Just take weapon, check. I'm winning already. Should be 7. Just developing the pieces. Yeah, is it miss? Yeah, I could have played night before. Spin, yeah. And then I discovered attack on the night, and this like can be taken, I take the walk. No, it's okay. That's good enough. Just take, completely winning, check, win the coin. A nice easy checkmate. Okay, good game. Only 800 rating. Okay. One miss. Okay. Not too complicated. Okay, nice game. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys later.